Hey guys, RunwithCraftscissors here with another plan with me. I decided I'm going to do my July monthly in my memory planner with my kit stuff from the Planner Society for July. So I thought that, or for June, sorry. I haven't gotten July's yet. So I thought that would be fun. I had seen a couple of people where like this washi fit pretty well in different sides and angles and stuff. And then the stickers are pretty small in the deco. So I thought that would work out well. And then there's these little boxes, which I think are supposed to be used as habit trackers, and I'm not going to use them for that, but I think it'll work out well with like the deco and such. So let's go ahead and get started. And since it's a memory planner, it doesn't really matter when I do it. And then I usually fill this out at like the end of the month. I do decorate these pages. I don't know that I've showed you guys that. See, that one I didn't do as much either. Let's see, did I do May's? Yeah, I did a little bit. So I just decorate a few things. Okay, so first thing I need to do is write in the days. Now I was trying to figure out what color pen I should do, and I'm thinking pink. So I need to do that first before I forget anything. So I think, yeah, the first was Sunday, so that's easy. I think I want to do it in this corner. 1, 2, 3. I hope you guys are having a really good month. I hope I don't mess up on my dates by talking. That's why I'm kind of talking about nothing. My son stayed home from school again today because he had a runny nose, and I just don't want to be the parent sending my kid to school with a runny nose for the teacher to constantly tell him to get a tissue or to wipe it up. I'm like, he doesn't need that at school. Like when he's older and he knows that he can just go get a Kleenex or something, that's different. But like now it's like he's 5, he doesn't really know to really ask for things like that, I don't think. I mean, I could be surprised by him, but, and his fever has just been off and on. He hasn't had one at all today, but he did say his throat was really sore. And asked for Tylenol, so give him a little. 8, 9, 30, 31, right? Yeah. Okay. So from what I can tell, I think that this washi, yeah, is the exact size of those boxes. So this is gonna go down here. See, I think I saw someone else's, and I don't remember who it was. It could have been, who else has this planner? Might have been Simply Shelly. I need to go up a little bit more, don't I? Or all the way to the bottom, and then I can add a layer of skinny washi. I don't want to do it that way, but probably not. Okay, that side's rolling now, so. Okay, that should fit. Yeah, that's better. Washi cutter, there it is. I was like, I just filmed last night. Usually I film my videos at night. This one's during the day. I was trying to get this done because I like got inspired. And I always struggle to use the stickers in the kit anyway, so I thought it would be a fun way to do it. My throat. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna take the skinny one and put it at the top. This, I get the washi subscription kit, and I use these with other like planner stickers, not just Planner Society stickers. So for me, it's justified. Plus, I don't run out to Michael's all the time and buy washi tape, even when they're having the like $5 tube sale, that kind of thing. Like I may buy one when they're on sale like that, just because I'm really picky about like liking every single roll in the tube. That's my thing though. Like don't think you have to be like that. But if you have like a friend to swap with, that's really good to be able to work that out. I went up too high, sorry. That makes it easier and more justifiable if you have a person to send it to. And then plus I really like getting the TPS kit, because when I swap washi with people, a lot of people don't get a TPS kit, and this is washi that you can't just go buy, mostly. Like, sometimes you can. Oh, okay, so my plan was to put these down on this side. So I don't really care about this coming month. I think I might actually cover it up and then go like all the way down with it almost. Maybe set up a little scene down here with stickers. I'm not sure. But I wanted to turn these into flags. And I could just do it with scissors or my washi chomper. I think I'll just do it with scissors. I think that would be easiest. So this is the other like floral design one. And then there's a lemon one that we haven't used yet. So I'll be incorporating that one as well. Okay. See, it's just not as like precise as the washi chomper, which I did grab. But... Okay, so this one's gonna go long. There, I think. Yeah. About that long. And then do this one next to it with the lemons on it. I'm trying to find where it starts. Not feeling it. There it is. Okay. I cut this first before I pull it out. So I just fold it and pinch it over. If you don't have a washi chomper flag cutter, it's an easy way to do it. And pull this one. I'm gonna butt it up against that side. Oh. Paper. Hey. I'm putting my knuckle down on it, thinking I'm gonna hold it steady, and I keep moving it. Okay, so I want this one, I think, a little bit higher, just for fun. I'm gonna put those next to each other, and then I'm gonna grab that pink one again and put it down the middle just a little bit, I think. So the only time I'm gonna use the wide one is right there to cover that date. I don't have any room for it, so there you go. Cut this one into a flag. Keep it open. Right there. Yeah, that was cute. I was examining it from the camera view. Gotta check it out. Okay. Oh, I felt something. That one I feel like went a little long on the corner, but that's what you do when you do freehand. Alright. So this one says, "Hello, beautiful." It has a little card at the top. Trying to see. I think this one would be the cutest for up here. I'm probably not going to use those. Sometimes she puts in little blank quarter boxes, and I think that would be really cute. So I'm going to put this up there. Little washi tape. And then I'm trying to use the bigger ones first. So do I want the bicycle down here? Or I think that's what I want. Bicycle down here. Her sticker paper is really thick, in case you don't know. I think I'm gonna put this here. I feel like it's gonna cover up some of my flag, but that's okay. Oh, it'll cover up the messed up one. Good. Okay, so there's that. And then there's a planner. That over there. Little couch chair thing. And then the flowers jar. Cute. Like on opposite sides. That would work. There's a little wheelbarrow of flowers that I thought was cute. I don't want to stick too much down there. Okay, so there are some things that I want to go ahead and write in that were like kind of not monumentous, but like his first day of summer school. I want to get a little pencil, and that was right here. So first day So put that in. And then he has had a couple of sick days, but I wasn't going to put that in as far as memory keeping goes. I will write Independence Day on the 4th. Okay, and then as far as anything else that like we've done, went to the dentist on like the 2nd, so dentist visit. And we're only like halfway through the month, so I really don't have anything else that like we've done that's been momentous. That's it. Got a new store. Oh, on Saturday we did have dinner with Uncle Ben. There's that. I think that's it so far. So now I can just decorate the rest of it. I'm not a big fan of birds, so you won't see me use those. You just won't. So I don't want to put too much in the boxes because you can see sometimes I kind of jot down like memory stuff in that aspect. So I might just put things on like the edges. That's what I was thinking. This is kind of big. If I can squeeze. I like the limeade. That's adorable. Just so I can still have like, obviously I'm not going to write in that one because I don't think we had anything going on. We might have bought his backpack that day. Monday or Tuesday, I think we bought his backpack. A little drink right there. There's a bicycle, which I think that's probably, that might be too big. I don't know. I'm trying to fit it over here. Because I can't put it on the holes. There, that was good. Okay, that one has birds and flowers. Oh yeah, I thought the banner would be cute. I don't know where. I'm gonna cover up dates if I use it. Unless I put it like in a corner. This. Nope. Yeah, no matter what, it's gonna cover up stuff, so I can't use that one. I was excited about those. Oh well. We'll just keep using these flowers. Cute and small. That's the thing, like her die cuts are usually really big, but the flowers are usually pretty small. I know you guys are like, put the bird. No. Don't like birds. It's not happening. We will put the flowers. A lot of flowers. Okay, there's this cute little wreath. We put that somewhere. Washi tape, I guess. Okay, so there's little birds left on that one. Little birds and have a tracker on that one. And then I didn't even touch these two. So I have those still. But I think that's the way my monthly spread is going to look like in my mini hobby planner. So I hope you guys like this spread. Give this video a like and please subscribe. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!